Are you an entrepreneur who has a lot of technical knowledge about your subject, but when you're supposed to present it, that's what fails you? Are you one of those who is struggling to make an effective presentation? Are you losing out on opportunities because of not making an impact? If any of these was you, then you're the right place. I invite you for my 5-day presentation skills workshop, which is going to help you build your skills for an effective impact. You're going to learn a lot. First thing, you're going to learn how to create effective presentations and keeping them crisp and to the point. The second thing you're going to understand and learn is the verbal and non-verbal communication required for an effective impact. You will understand the importance of the right body language and how it can affect your interaction with your audience. Another thing that you will understand is handling group discussions and objections, and also how to create an effective pitch. In short, this is your package of success, and all you need to do is commit to that success and growth. And if you're ready, please go to the description of this video and you're going to see a link where you can connect with me and register for this workshop. All you need is 5 days from 26th to 30th of December, and you will be starting your new year with more confidence, and you will have the skills to make your presentations more effective. Isn't that so cool? This is your step to success and growth, and you cannot afford to miss it because you missed out on a lot of opportunities. Don't keep sitting with the FOMO. Possibly this is what you need, and all you need to do is just click on the link and book a space for yourself. Just connect and register right now. I'm going to see you inside the workshop.